Happy St. Patrick's Day!
Happy St. Patrick's Day. Okay. I know. Hey guys, it's like a server with
Me Lainey server!
Yeah.
And today's St. Patrick's Day!
It's
So
St.
that's
Patrick's Day.
why we're
Hooray!
wearing green.
Yay.
Happy St. Patrick's Day to all of you!
So I got some stories. First I got a story about me and my brother on St. Patrick's Day and my sister a couple years ago.
Is this scary?
And another story that we'll get into a little later. This first story is with our brother Dylan and our sister, who will not be named because for reasons. Anyway, so I say my brother's name because he has a YouTube channel and he doesn't really care. My sister though, I think she would care. Anyway, years and years ago, I forgot how old I was. I was probably like 7 or 8. Hey, what's up? How's it going?
Probably before I was
And me and
born.
my brother, we both have TV in our room now. We're rich. I'm just kidding. We know we're not. Okay. Anyway, that was not. Beep.
Beep.
Okay, so me and my brother both have brothers. Before me and my brother both have brothers in our room. Before we both have TV in our room. Me and my brother, you had these pop-up tents. We still have them, and we would set them up in. Stop it. We set them up in the living room, and we watch TV at night, and then we go to sleep. Anyway.
Sorry, I want to jump so bad.
Oh yeah, we're on the trampoline. We're outside. Ah. You're shaking the trampoline. Stop. Anyway, wait, where was I? Oh yeah, it was St. Patrick's Day morning. God, stop it. God. We was talking about some gross things about snot and boogers and swallowing things. So anyway, we're gonna go back to the story. Lainey's gonna puke. Oh God, don't puke. The story. It was St. Patrick's Day. It was St. Patrick's Day morning, and my sister was awake. She came up here to eat breakfast or something, and I was awake as well. And my brother, he was tired. We were all awake, but we were in. I was in like green pajamas. I was ready. My brother was not. And we were watching TV, and my sister came up here, and she came out to check on us. And you're not supposed to, apparently, I don't know the actual rules, but there's a burp there, so I was looking at it. I wonder if they can actually hear us. Anyway, we're not going to pinch anyone unless you're in your actual clothes. But if you're in your jammies, it's fine, because when I woke up this morning, I was in blue pajamas, all blue. But no one really cared, so. Anyway, my sister came up here and she said, okay, let's see if you're wearing green or not. I was good. My brother was not. So me and my sister, we started pinching him. But he had this green blanket. It wasn't really, it was kind of green. God, it was like a camouflage blanket. And he starts trying to cover himself with it. And then we keep on tagging him. He goes, wait, this is green. We were like, no, you're not wearing it. So anyway, he went to go get green and have it ever after. Hooray.
Okay.
Now on to the disturbing story.
Wait, but first there's another story that he pinched me.
Oh
I was in my pajamas, and it was like, I first woke up, it was really early in the morning on St. Patrick's Day, and when I had bed, I think he ran to me, I don't really know. I think I was like 5 years old. I think I was like 5 years old. I'm really itching my arm. I have a flea bite.
You're good.
I have a flea bite.
Alright.
Anyway, so I first woke up and went to the living room like I always to watch TV or get on film or something, but that was before I got a tablet when I moved my other one by going in the bathroom. Anyway.
That's not important. Anyway, get on the story.
So when I went to go sit down on our couch, on our black couch, so before I could even be able to sit on it, Dylan came to pinch me. I think he ran to me or something, but I don't know. So let's get on to the disturbing story.
As you can tell from the fact, oh, Sparkly's over there. He's being really cute.
Oh no!
Actually, we're on the trampoline. I don't want to show you him because one, we have a mess in the backyard, and two,
What are you doing?
I don't want to drop my camera. So.
Oh, here it comes. Oh wait, hold on. He's being cute.
Okay, so we couldn't get Barkley, but oh well. Anyway. I didn't come up with a title a couple days ago. Well, it was like about maybe a week ago. Not really sure. No. Anyway, but it was recently. that me and Lainey were outside. We're in the backyard.
Well, you're actually in the front yard. We came back from the front yard into the backyard.
What?
A big ass over.
Okay. Anyway, there's over there. There was a bunch. I'm not gonna show you, but there was like a Pacific part.
There's not
of the
any
backyard.
feathers anymore.
There was a bunch of feathers, like a whole bunch.
I ruined the surprise.
There was a whole bunch of feathers, and we were like, "What the heck? Did a bird explode here?" Now, I was joking when I said that. I was like, "Did a bird explode here? What the heck?" But I was joking. And then I was over here. Then I started walking around, started playing with the dogs, and then Lainey goes and said, "Lexi, there's a dead bird over here." I was like, "What the fudge?" So I went over there, and there was a dead bird over there. But not only was it deadless. What? It was dead, but it was headless.
No, I love deadless.
And freaking the dead headless bird was like right there, and we passed it so many times. It wasn't like in the middle of the whole thing. It was like off to the side. But I didn't get so close to it. But a couple days later, my brother went up to it, and he actually got my hand was the bird and my brother. And he actually got up close to face to it. The bird doesn't have a face. So I was like, how did you do that? Ugh. We don't know where the head is though. Like my brother threw it away. He got a Walmart sack and he threw it away. But we don't know where the head is.
If you have a brother like our brother, then your brother might be the biggest hero I've ever heard.
Or a sister if you don't have a brother. Or just a person if you don't have any siblings. Anyway.
If you have anybody that you know.
When we went in the house and we told our mom, our mom said, our mom says, "That's so gross." Like Dad said our dad said the dogs got into something or they did something. Oh, look, there's the sunshine. They did something. So we thought, oh my God, the dogs killed that bird.
I know.
So I don't know if they ate the head. I don't know if it's somewhere in the backyard, but we don't know where the head is. Like, okay. Anyway.
The question is, where's the bird head?
Yeah. So, I wanted to share the story for St. Patrick's Day, but since that story happened, I was like, you know what? I don't have any St. Patrick's Day stories. St. Patrick's Day story. I keep on saying St. Patrick's Day.
St. Patrick's Day.
Oh yeah. Here's something funny. My mom on Valentine's Day. It was after we had dinner, and my mom's in the kitchen. She goes, "Happy Thursday, Happy Thanksgiving, Thursday, Valentine's Day." Or she said Happy Thank Thursday or something like that. She mixed up with dang it, I just said it. Thanksgiving, Thursday, and Valentine's Day. But Valentine's Day wasn't on Thursday, so anyway, it's not important. But thank you for watching this video of disturbing story.
And if some of you don't
what are you doing? Why do you keep on?
A lot of you don't know that our dog.
Our
dog used to hunt with our dad. So that explains everything.
Oh yeah, Jack used to be a hunting dog. He's not anymore. He's retired. He's an old puppy.
Yeah,
maybe all those, and I think he used to hunt down birds. So I think all those instincts. What? Ducks, whatever. Ducks are still birds. I think all those instincts came back, and he was like, "Bird!"
Yeah!
Okay.
No, wait. Stay tuned for next time's video for more funny things.
There's not gonna be next time. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for watching, and we hope you have a great St. Patrick's Day. Thank. Okay. Bye. Have a great day. We'll see you next time. Bye. Bye. Ow. Goodbye.